See here. So in the previous session, we clearly discussed how can we insert a node in the linear single linked list. How can we insert the node in the linear single linked list? Okay, that part we discussed in the previous session. Now in this session, I want to talk about how can we remove a node from the linear single linked list. How can we remove a node from the linear single linked list? Okay, listen carefully here. So here already one linear linked list is there that has elements like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This linked list is already created. Okay, first node's name is first, last node's name is last. Okay, so here two nodes are there. Total 5 nodes are there. First node's name is first, last node's name is last. Total 5 nodes are there. Okay, I want to remove a node from the linked list. For that, I want to write a method. Okay, now here we have to check 3 cases now. We have to check 3 cases. Listen, just a minute. So, what is the topic name? Removing a node. Removing.
From
Uh, so, removing a node from linear single linked list. Removing a node from linear single linked list. Observe. So, I want to give method name as remove. So, we have to specify the position, which positions node we want to remove. Okay, so this method I want to define. I don't want to return any value. So return type is what? White. So this remove method I want to define. So here total 3 cases are there. Okay, so what are those 3 cases? First case is removing first node. Whether we are trying to remove the first node or not. Removing the first node. Second case is removing last node. Second case is removing last node. In the inserting node, I already explained. Same 3 cases. So there we inserted first node, inserted last node, inserted node in the middle. Here we are removing the node. We are removing first node, or we are removing last node, or we are removing middle node. Okay, removing middle node. So 3 cases are there. Okay, if position value is 1, if position value is 1, this condition is true means we want to remove first node. We want to remove the first node now. So if position value is 1, we have to remove first node. So this first node I want to remove now. Observe carefully here. Okay, so now just a minute. Okay, this node I want to remove now. This first node I want to remove. So if we remove this first node, now what are the elements? 20, 30, 40, 50. Only 4 nodes will be there. I want to remove the first node. So if we remove this first node, assume this first node as temp. Assume this first node as temp. I'm assuming first node as a temp. Because I want to remove this node. So I am holding this first node's address in the temp. So to delete this node, what we write is we use one operator, delete operator. See, in the C++, we are the programmers. As the programmer, we must allocate the memory and we must destroy the memory. Okay. So if we are allocating the memory using new operator means we must destroy that memory using the delete operator. That is our responsibility. Whereas in case of Java, automatic memory deallocation is there. Automatically memory will be destroyed by the garbage collector. Okay, in the C++, we must destroy the memory. In the C++, we must destroy the memory. Okay, so that's why I'm holding first node's address in the temp, because we want to remove this node. Whereas in Java, automatic memory deallocation is there. Automatically memory will be destroyed. Automatically unreferenced objects will be destroyed by the garbage collector. So their garbage collector concept is there. But whereas in the C++, garbage collector concept is not there. Automatic memory management concept is not there. So we must destroy the memory. That is our responsibility. As a programmer, we must destroy the memory. So that's why I'm holding first node's address in the temp. Okay, so what we write here, so temp address I want to get in the, sorry, first address, first node's address I want to get in the temp. So what we write, temp equals to first, temp equals to first. Okay, so this is the temp node. Now after removing this node, after removing this node should become the first node. After removing this node should become the first node. If this is first, this one is what, first next. If this is first, this one is what, first next. So this is first next now. So this is the first next, this is the current first next. So this first next we have to make this as the first, we have to make first next as the first. Okay, so this first next should become first now. So for that what we write, first equals to first equals to first next. So first next is becoming the first now. That's it, this is a code. Okay, observe. Okay, now I want to remove this first node. So to remove the first node, to remove, I'm writing delete. Delete is the operator, delete is the operator. Give the pointer variable name, so temp. Okay, now which one is the temp, this one is the temp. Now this temp will be removed now. Now this temp node will be removed. So now this one is the first node, this one is not first next. First next we made as first. If this is first means this is first next now. Now this is first node, this is last node. So this node is removed here. Okay. So hence we can remove the node. So this is removing first node. Similarly, I want to remove last node. For example, so I'm calling like this. I'm giving, so when we are calling like this. L1 dot remove. I'm giving position value as 5. Position value as 5. Okay. So fifth positions element I want to remove now. Fifth positions node I want to remove. Observe. So here, this one is, okay. So I'm taking the example again because we removed one node here. I'm taking the example again. Just a minute. See. So just now we have written the code to remove the first node. So if we remove the first node, first next will become the first. So that to remove that first node, that first we are holding in the temp. So the temp we are removing. So previous first node is removed. First next we are making that as the first. So hence we can delete the first node. Okay, else this condition is false means, okay, we are not removing first node. We are not removing first node. So first case is over. Now I want to remove the last node. Okay, so we are calling like this as L1 dot remove of 5. We are calling like this L1 dot remove of 5. Okay, so 5 means this last node. Okay, this is position 1, this is position 2, this is position 3, this one is position 4, and this one is position 5. So we are calling like L1 dot insert. We are calling L1, sorry, L1 dot remove, L1 dot remove, L1 dot remove. So which positions node we want to remove? Fifth positions node we want to remove. So L1 dot remove of 5 we are giving. So this fifth node has to be deleted. This fifth node has to be deleted. So we have to come up to this fourth node, position minus 1. So we have to come up to fourth node. So for that, you already know the logic. In the insertion, I already explained. So same code we write now. So this one is the first. This one is the first. This one is the last. This one is last. Okay. So this one is first. This one is last. So assume this first one as the pointer. Assume this first one as the pointer. So if this one is the pointer, okay, this one is what? Pointer next. This one is pointer next. So next time this pointer next should become the pointer. Okay, if this one is pointer means now this one is not pointer. This one is not pointer. This one is a pointer. We are making first pointer next as the pointer now. Okay, if this one is the pointer, okay, This one is not pointer next now. This one is the pointer next. Okay, so now this one is the pointer next. This one is the pointer next. So next pointer next I want to make as pointer. So now this will become the pointer now. This will become pointer. Now this is, if this is pointer, this is what? This is pointer next. This is pointer next. Pointer next. Okay. So now this one is not pointer. This one is the pointer. So this one is not pointer next now. This one is the pointer next. So this one is pointer. This one is pointer next. I want to make this pointer next as the pointer. So this pointer next I am holding in the pointer. So now this one is pointer. This one is pointer. Okay, if this is pointer, this one is not pointer next. This one is the pointer next. So we are giving position value as 5. So we are coming up to fourth position. We are coming up to fourth position. So for this, which code we write? Which code we write? Assume that first node as a pointer. So which code we write? First equal. Okay, pointer equals to first. Pointer equals to first. Okay, so next pointer next should become the pointer. So pointer equals to pointer next. So we are making pointer next as the pointer. Next time this pointer next is the pointer. Next time this pointer next is the pointer. So like that, we want to execute this statement for how many times here? 3 times. We are giving position value as 5. So here pointer next is becoming pointer first time. Here pointer next is becoming pointer second time. Here pointer next is becoming pointer third time. So if position value is 5, we have to execute this pointer equals to pointer next statement for 3 times. Means for p minus 2 times we have to execute. So I'm writing for int I equals to 1. Okay, or I'm taking k equals to 1. Okay, k less than or equals to p minus 2. So p minus 2 times, here position value is 5 means 3 times we have to make pointer next as the pointer. So if position value is 5, so 3 times we have to execute this code. If position value is 10, 8 times we have to execute. So p minus 2. So p minus 2 k plus plus. So this code we have to execute now. Okay, so this code I'm writing here. Observe. Okay, so I'm declaring one node pointer variable here. Okay, I'm pasting that code. See here. So we are assuming first as the pointer. So pointer next is becoming the pointer. Here we are giving position value as 5. So position minus 2 times means 3 times the statement get executed. Now this one is the pointer. This one is the pointer. Okay. This one is not pointer. This one is the pointer. This one is the pointer now. This is a pointer. Observe. Now we have to check whether we want to remove last node or not. Whether we want to remove last node or not. So for that, what we have to do? See, if this is pointer, this one is what? Pointer next. This one is the pointer next. Observe carefully. Observe carefully here. Just a minute. See here. See here. This one is which one? This one. This one is X. This one is next. This one is next. Okay. So if this one is the pointer, this one is the pointer. Now this is the pointer. So this is pointer means this one is what? Pointer next. So what is this is pointer next. Okay. So if you want to access this 50 value, what we write? Pointer next to X means 50. If you want to access this value, what we write? Pointer next next. So this is pointer. If this is pointer, this one is what? Pointer next. So if you want to access this value, what we write? Pointer next next we write. So what is pointer next next value? Pointer next value is null. So if pointer next value is null means we are removing last node. Once again I'm repeating. Now we want to check whether we want to remove last node or not. Now we want to check whether we want to remove last node or not. We are removing last node or not. For that, okay, this one is the pointer. We are removing fifth node. So we are coming up to fourth position. Now this is the pointer. If this is pointer, this one is the pointer next. If you want to access this 50 value, we write pointer next x. Similarly, to access this null value, we write pointer next next. So now what is pointer next value? Pointer next value is null. Because after this pointer next, no node is there. So pointer next value is what? Null. So if pointer next value is null means we are removing last node. So that condition we have to write here. So here in the else block, we are writing the condition if pointer if pointer next equals to null. If pointer next equals to null means what? We are trying to remove last node. Now we want to remove last node. So this last node, just a minute. See. See here. So I want to remove this last node now. So this last node will be removed. This last node will be removed now. This last node will be removed. So if we remove this last node, okay, what we have to do? See, after now this is what? This is a pointer. After this, no node should be there because we are removing last node. We are removing last node means pointer next value should become null now. So here we should not maintain the address. So here this value we have to make as null. This value we have to make as null. So before that, assume this as the temp. Assume this as the temp. So what we write? This is pointer. This is what? Pointer next. So make pointer next as the temp. So to make pointer next as the temp, I'm writing temp equals to pointer next. Pointer next. So we are holding in the temp. Later we remove the temp. Means last node will be deleted. Okay. Now make pointer next value as null. Make pointer next value. So this is what? This is x. This one is x. This one is what? Next. So make pointer next value as null here. So make this value as null. So write pointer next equals to null. So this link will be gone now. So pointer next value will become null. So right here, pointer next equals to null because this is the last node. After this, no node is there. We are removing this node. So this is the last node. After this, no node is there. Okay. So that's why to indicate that pointer next null. Pointer next value is null now. Okay. Now pointer next has no address. It is holding null. So this link is gone now. This link is gone. So now this one is the last node, right? So last node removed means we have to make this as the last node. We have to make this pointer as the last node. So now this pointer is the last node. Make this pointer as the last node. Make this pointer as the last node. So to make pointer as the last node, what we are writing here? Last equals to pointer. Last equals to pointer. So this is the code. That's it. Okay. So once again, I'm repeating. So here what we are doing, we want to remove last node. So L1 dot remove of 5. So we are giving position value as 5. So to check whether we are removing last node or not, we are assuming this first node as the pointer. So next time this pointer next is becoming pointer. Next time pointer next is becoming pointer. Next time pointer next is becoming pointer. Like that we are coming up to the position minus 1. We are giving position value 5 means we are coming up to 4. So now this is the pointer. I want to remove this. Now we have to check whether we are removing last node or not. If this is pointer next. This is if you want to access this value, we write pointer next. So pointer next no node is there. So pointer next value is what? Null. So if pointer next value is null, if that condition is true means we are removing last node. So if pointer next value is null, pointer next value is null means we are removing last node. This condition true means we are removing last node. Okay, so we are making pointer next as the temp because we want to remove this temp. So I'm holding this last node's address in the temp, pointer next address in the temp. Okay, so now this is the pointer. So after this, no node is there because we are removing last node. So we are making pointer next value as null. Okay, now we have this one, we have to make this as the last node. We have to make this as the last node. So for that, we are making pointer as the last node. So to make pointer as the last node, we are writing last equals to pointer. So pointer next equals to null. So after pointer, no node is there. Last equals to pointer. So that pointer is becoming the last now. So that position 4 node is becoming the last node now. Hence, we can remove the last node. This is the code to remove last node. So if you want to remove in the middle, what we have to do? Observe. Okay. I'm taking fresh file. Just a minute. So now I want to remove middle node. For example, I am giving position value as 4. I'm giving position value as 4. So L1 dot remove. Just a minute. So we are calling like this. We are calling like this. L1 dot remove. I am giving position value as 4. I'm giving position value as 4. Okay. So we are giving position value as 4. So this fourth node we have to remove. So which one is the fourth node? This one. This one. 40 I want to remove. This node I want to remove. So now here this one is the first node. This one is the first node. And this one is the last node. So we are giving position value as 4. Means this one. So we have to come up to position 3. So assume this as the pointer. Now assume this as the pointer. Now this one is the pointer. So which code we write? Pointer equals to first. Already we have written that code. Okay. So if this is pointer, this one is what? Pointer next. This one is the pointer next. So next is make this pointer next as the pointer. Okay. Now this one is not pointer. This one is not pointer. This one is a pointer. The second node is the pointer now. If second node is the pointer, this one is not pointer next. This third node is the pointer next now. This third node is the pointer next. So this one is the pointer next. Pointer next. So make this as the pointer now. Make this as the pointer. Okay. Now this one is not pointer. This third node is a pointer. Okay. So third node pointer means this is not pointer next. This one is a pointer next. Okay. So we are giving position value as 4 means we are coming up to position 3. Okay. So we have to execute pointer next code for how many times? 2 times. If position value is 4, so first time we are making this pointer next as a pointer, next pointer next as a pointer. This code we have to execute for 2 times. So position value is 4 means 2 times. So p minus 2 times we have to execute. So already we have written that code. So we are assuming first node as the pointer. So p minus 2 times the pointer next is becoming the pointer. Pointer next is becoming the pointer. Now here that checks this condition. Pointer next equals to null. So here this one is the pointer. This one is pointer next. Pointer next has some address. So this one is pointer next. So this node's address is here. So pointer next has some address. So pointer next value is not null. Means we are not removing last node. So that comes to this else part now. That comes to this else part because we are not removing last node. Now what we have to do? Observe. So now this one is the pointer. This one is pointer next. This one is pointer next. Listen. This 30th node. This node is the pointer. Now this one is what? Pointer next. This one is what? Pointer next. So this node's address is in this node. This node's address is in this node. So pointer next is what? This node's address. So this is pointer means this is pointer next. So this pointer next has this next node's address. So pointer next, this node. Okay. So now we want to remove this 40th node, this fourth position's node. Now we want to remove this fourth position's node. So this node we want to remove. So assume this as temp now. Assume this as temp. Assume this as temp because we want to remove now. So assume this as temp. So what we have to write? This is pointer. This is what? Pointer next. Pointer next address I want to hold in the temp. So write temp equals to pointer next. So pointer next address will come into the temp. So this node's address will come into the temp. So temp equals to pointer next we write. Right? Temp equals to. temp equals to pointer next. Temp equals to pointer next. Okay, observe. See, next. So after removing this node, now this is pointer. So this link should be gone. This link should be gone. So we have to establish a new link like this. So this new link I'm drawing, observe. So which new link we want? This new link we want. This link I want to establish. Just a minute. So this new link I want to establish now. This new link I want to establish. So this nodes, so this is pointer, this is pointer next, this is what? Pointer next next. So pointer next next should become pointers next. So this is pointer, this is pointer next, this is what? Pointer next next. So make pointer next next as the pointer next. Okay, so here this one is x, this one is what? Next. So in the pointer next, here, I want to get this node's address. So to get this node's address, what we write? Pointer next next. So pointer next next means this node. So pointer next next node's address I want to get here. So pointer next equals to pointer next next we write. So write pointer next equals to pointer next equals to pointer next next. So now middle node will be removed now. This link will be got now. So this pointer next is holding this next next node's address. So this node's address it is maintaining. So this link established. So this node will be removed when you use delete operator. Okay, so here already that code we have written. So delete temp means that node will be removed. Okay. So this is the code for removing the node. That's it. So here total how many cases are there? 3 cases are there. If position is 1, first position node, this is the code. Okay, if you want to remove last node, this is the code. Pointer next next equals to null means we are removing last node. Okay, if you are removing middle node, this is the code. Okay, so I explained every point clearly. Now directly I'm copying this method in our program. I'm copying this method in our program. Observe. So less time is there. Listen. Only 6 minutes time is there. Listen carefully. So I'm opening our program. Our program is in the CPP DSW folder. I'm opening our program. So in this, I'm adding the method. I'm adding the method in the class linked list. In the class linked list, I'm adding the method. So in the previous session, we added insert method. Now like that, I'm adding remove method now. Now I'm adding remove method. So take name as remove, don't take as delete because delete operator is there. Delete operator is there in the C++. So that's why I'm not taking method name as delete. I'm taking method name as remove. Okay, so this is the code for removing. Okay, so now observe carefully here. I'm running this program by pressing F11. Okay, just a minute. That's giving one error. Okay, so here we have tried semicolon. I have written colon, we have tried semicolon. F11, observe. Observe the output. See, 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the elements, 5 elements. So 5 elements are printed. Now I want to remove. So linked list elements or 5 elements are there. I want to remove first node. So L1 dot remove. I'm giving position value as 1. I'm giving position value as 1. Okay, after removing, I am printing all elements now. After removing, I am printing all elements. Observe. Observe. See, 10 is not there in the second show, in the second line. Okay, 10 first node is not there. First node is removed. Okay, because we are giving position value as 1. So first node is removed. Now I'm giving position value as 5. Observe. I'm giving position value as 5. So last node will be removed now. Observe. Observe the output. Last node is removed. 50 is not there. 50 removed. Okay. Now I'm giving position value as 4. I'm giving position value as 4. Okay. Fourth node will be removed. Observe. I'm giving position value as 4. Okay. Just a minute. That is giving. Sorry. Don't give in the show method. In the remove method, right? In the remove method. In the remove method, give the position value as 4. Okay. Observe. See here. 40 removed here. Fourth positions node removed. Okay. Did you get my point? Okay. Hence, we can insert, we can remove the node. We can remove first node. We can remove last node. And we can remove middle nodes. So hence, we can remove the node from linked list. Now, I'm stopping the session here.